Hey, this is Andrew Brown. We are taking a look at Amazon Q, which is an AI chatbot using multiple large language learning models via Amazon Bedrock. Ask Amazon Q a question similar to ChatGPT or other generative AI chat services. So you'll see Amazon Q throughout the portal of AWS, like in services and the documentation. And this thing is dumb as bricks, but I think the reason why is that it depends on what model they're using. So I think that for public-facing things or services, it's just a cheaper model that is underneath. And then other places, it's a lot better. So like if you're using it within VS Code for developers, it seems to be a bit more intelligent. But there are variants of Amazon Q. We have Amazon Q Business. This connects company data information systems made simple with more than 40 built-in connectors. Amazon Q Developer, coding, testing, upgrading, troubleshooting, optimizing your AWS resources. It's integrated with a bunch of different code editors. Amazon Q for Amazon QuickSight. So it's going to analyze your BI data and let you be able to ask questions about it and make compelling visual summarized insights and other things like that. We have Amazon Q for Amazon Connect. So basically you can replace your customer support with Amazon Q, which sounds awful to me, but whatever. And we have Amazon Q for AWS supply chain, which is currently in preview. This gets intelligent answers about what is happening in their supply chain. So again, the service varies in terms of its quality. All the cloud service providers have to have some kind of service like this, and this is AWS is okay.